Saunders from What's New in Electronics at IPC Apex, and I've been joined by Brant from Calcuquote. How are you?
I'm doing well. How are you doing?
Not so bad, thank you very much. It's great to see you.
You as well?
How's the show been? I know it's only the first morning. How are you seeing things so far?
So far, so good. Already run into quite a few customers, both existing customers as well as some leads that we've been talking to. So this has traditionally been a really good show for our team. Obviously for the EMS industry, this is kind of the show to go to.
Yep.
If you're looking for new services, new equipment, we would fall on the services side of that equation in terms of helping people provide supply chain solutions.
Okay, and tell me a little bit more about Calcuquote. Obviously the EMS industry, but tell us more about what you do, how you fit in.
So Calcuquote was founded to offer an automated solution for quoting in the PCBA manufacturing space. So as we know, if you go back, say, 10 years ago to when we were founded, or 12 years ago now when we were founded, the solutions were all spreadsheet based. So you had different levels of macros that you were using to applying custom labor formulas, going out and getting different material costing from all the big distributors. We provide a platform where it brings all of that to a single space. Okay. So you can have your API keys configured to your custom pricing, bring in the Digis, Mausers, Futures, Arrows, Avnets of the world into a single place and allow EMS companies to be able to select from those suppliers based on what's going to be the right fit for that specific project.
So a huge cost saving and people saving exercise, yeah?
Yes, I mean the name of the game is time savings in EMS. Anything that you can do to quote faster, quote more accurately, that's where we're focused. We've expanded that into other supply chain solutions for purchasing, ERP integration as well. So our DNA is essentially trying to solve problems within the EMS space. So
okay.
Show us within your supply chain where you're struggling, what you're struggling with, and if we don't already have a solution, we're always interested in expanding our platform to be the one-stop shop for all your supply chain solutions.
Okay, and what tools are you seeing? It's a silly question, I think I know the answer, but what tools are you seeing coming into the sector right now?
Yeah, it's really an interesting time. I mean, I think the name of the game right now in the EMS space and really the world is AI. So we're integrating AI into the application in new and interesting ways all the time. If you think of it from BOM formatting, where you get really messy, nasty, ugly BOMs from your customer, and a lot of times you'll be cleaning those BOMs in Excel using formulas. We can now do a lot of that automatically with both AI and logic. I would say we apply AI in areas where you need intuition and logic may fall just a little bit short of that.
Right,
so how can we bring data sets to the equation? We've got over 350 customers across the globe now, so we've got a robust data set that we're able to now leverage and use some of the new AI automation tools to help people quote faster, more accurately.
That's great, and again, time saving, which is fantastic, and something not to be scared of then, something to embrace.
Absolutely, I look at it as, yes, AI is going to displace in certain ways, but it's also going to create a lot of opportunities. And we deal with customers that have, one surface mount line and 15 people. We also deal with multinational corporations that have multiple manufacturing sites scattered across the globe. The solution sets for each of those are a little bit different in terms of what technology we would apply to help them be able to bring that automation to their process. But regardless of your size or scope, if you're in the EMS space, we should have solutions that can help you automate a lot of those processes, and talent is really hard to come by.
Yeah.
So being able to apply technology to accentuate the talent that you do have, and hopefully, maybe it works where instead of needing to hire a couple of people for your supply chain team, purchasing or quoting, you can now apply a technology that allows you to get that same advantage.
And also then nurture the people that are in the business already and have more time to spend getting them sort of up to speed, I guess.
Yeah, absolutely. One of the things that I'm really excited about that we've done in the last couple of years that we're still continuing to expand on is integrating into systems. I think that's one place where we have a real advantage in the marketplace. We've got a robust, well-developed set of documented APIs where we can integrate into your ERP platform. We can integrate into your surface mount equipment. It really just depends. We've got shop floor solutions. If you're looking to improve throughput within your shop floor, we've got solutions that handle that part of the equation. And we can also help on the supply chain side where, hey, I've quoted this, I've now won it, I've got a PO, how can I get from the time I receive my PO to have material on my door as fast as possible? That's where some of those ERP integrations come in that really help automate the process.
That's fantastic. So you have a solution for most things then?
We certainly try to.
Yeah.
We continue to stay supply chain focused, and again, back to our DNA, which is we want to solve problems.
Yeah.
So solving the quoting problem is one part of the equation, but now you've got to execute on that. Now you've got to go out and secure a product in the marketplace. How do you do that quickly, efficiently, and ensure that you're getting the best possible price? And that's where we come in to be able to connect these systems together, allow your quote system to talk to your ERP system, so that when you're out there in the market, your supply chain team has clear targets of what they need to meet or beat in order to make that project successful.
Yeah, and you've got existing clients, like you say, and you've got clients of all different sizes, so obviously you're doing something right. So.
Yeah, it's a really fun space to be in. I think that when you look across the landscape of technology and everything that's happening in the world, you kind of feel like you're in the driver's seat when you're in the EMS space. We're getting to help build these things that are, bringing positive advantages to all of our lives in a multitude of ways. So just being able to play in that space and getting to talk to some of the just really best and brightest minds in the industry and problem solve with them. I feel like we're a company that we're not afraid to stand on somebody else's shoulders in order to provide those solutions. We don't necessarily have to know everything. We just have to be able to ask the right questions, and that's a space where AI, I feel like you're limited by the kinds of questions you can ask, and with the creative customer base that we've got spread all across the globe, we're able to ask some really good questions.
Fantastic.
And then apply that technology directly to that to bring solutions.
Great stuff. Well, it's great to see the energy that you have and the excitement, and I hope the show goes incredibly well for you for the rest of the week.
Yeah, thank you very much.
And I'm sure you'll get lots of people coming by and asking lots of more questions to help you improve the future.
Yeah, I appreciate it. So
That's
far,
great.
so good.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Cheers.